Easter egg? Oh yeah, let's collect them. Then we can open them.
This is another egg.
Really?
The other egg.
Wow.
Little egg. Nothing. Nothing.
You never know. They might not all have something.
Yeah. What is it?
Wow.
This basket.
Yeah, look. Easter eggs. Keep filling it up. No, don't drop it. You have to hold it.
Wow.
Wow. A necklace. That's nice of the Easter Bunny. Put it in your basket. Keep collecting them.
Maybe put it on.
Sure. Pretty. Okay, keep collecting your eggs. No, don't up everything now.
Oh, a coin.
Ooh, money. That's neat. Show me the coin.
One.
Uh-huh. Neat. Okay, put it in your basket.
Is it in there? In there. In there.
What's in there?
Yes.
I don't know. Why don't you collect them first and then we'll open them later.
Whoa, it's another coin.
Wow, that's a big coin. Put them in your bag.
Another Easter egg.
What is it?
Look.
A what?
Ray.
Is that an Easter egg?
No.
Oh. Ew. Ah! Eee. Oh. Pick up your coin. Okay, let's go find more eggs.
Yay!
I see one.
Which one?
I see one in front of you. Look high and low.
Where's the egg in outside?
Where's your basket?
There's more eggs in there.
Yeah. Get your basket to collect your eggs. Where's your basket?
What's that?
Okay.
Want to put it in there?
Mm-hmm.
Or the basket goes in there?
Mm-hmm.
Hey. The pig. The pig is in there.
Yeah, I did paint it.
What is it?
I don't know. Carry your basket.
Wow! Look!
What is it?
Suitcase.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Magic.
Don't open them. Put it in your basket.
The one.
There's more eggs.
Let's see. More eggs?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Why am I carrying your basket?
More eggs. Another egg. What is it?
Put in your basket.
Another is an egg. Ah!
What's that? Is that a bug on your slide?
Yeah.
Whoa. Careful. Yeah.
There's more eggs.
Oh, more eggs. Here's your basket. Put your eggs in the basket.
It's an egg.
Mm-hmm. I see some.
More stickers.
Neat.
More stickers.
Neat.
More eggs.
Wow. Do eggs grow on
Another
trees?
egg.
Do eggs grow on trees?
No, the egg.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
They do? Okay, get it. Wow, a tree egg. Are there any more up there?
Yeah.
Okay, put them in your basket.
No, never mind.
Wow. What? Put them in your basket.
Wow. A balloon.
A balloon.
Bullet.
Mm-hmm. Let's see how you blow it.
Bullet.
Can you do it?
You blew it.
Okay, put it in your basket.
You blew it.
Mm-hmm.
Blow it. Blow it.
Okay, hold it. Don't let it go.
Yeah.
Yay. Any more eggs? What's this up there? Look up there. I see it. Ah! What's up there? What is it?
I don't know.
Up here?
Egg.
An egg. How did it get up there?
Get it.
Did the Easter Bunny put there?
No.
Who put it there?
No. Mommy.
Mommy put it there?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think she's picking up your eggs. You better go see if there's some more. Look on the wall.
There's more eggs right there.
Uh-huh.
Yummy.
Yummy what?
Daddy.
Yeah. How are you gonna get it? Can you reach? Climb.
Another egg.
Uh-huh. You have to climb up and get it. Oh.
Wow. It's a really cool.
It's really cool.
Look.
A headband. Climb up here first.
There's an egg.
Here's one.
No.
Ooh. Oh, there's one. That's a white one. That may be a regular egg. What is it?
Okay.
Well, don't throw it. Can we hold it?
I want a real buggy.
Is it a bug?
I want a real
Easter
buggy.
bug?
No, real buggy.
Don't pull it. Don't pull it. Did you find all the eggs?
Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear stickers. Wow. Oh, another one.
Wow. Another balloon.
Balloon.
Yeah, there's two balloons. There's blue.
Your other balloon went over the other house.
Green. Purple green.
Yeah, your purple balloon went over the house. Is there something else on the wall there?
Yeah.
Right here?
In the wall?
Uh-huh.
Where is it?
Over here.
In the wall? This
Yeah, yeah.
one?
Whoa.
More.
What's that?
Strawberry and blueberry.
Oh, strawberries and blueberries. Snacks. Yum. What you put in your bag? Wow. Quite a collection of eggs.
Another egg.
I see one way up high.
Get it, Mommy.
I don't know. Mommy's not that tall. How did I get up there? Do you have a long stick? Maybe we want to shake the swing set? It fell.
Wow, more. Vegetables.
Vegetables?
Vegetable in the house.
Okay. Say Happy Easter. Wave. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Wave.
Happy Easter.
Yeah. Have a great day.
Have a good day.
See you next time.
See you next time.
See you later, alligator.
See you, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
Hello, crocodile. Crocodile.